Well, we're just at Silver Falls. Seen actually 2 deer. I got a shot off, and we did get him. You just got to get over all this. First thing to come over, that's when I seen the blood. So I knew I hit him. Oh, stick. Blood there. More blood. And then they've got a trail built in here, a little deer trail all the way. And we just followed the blood all the way. And then just happened to look up and there he was. So it's a pretty quick kill.
Doe.
A doe, yeah. Not a buck this time. Last time was a buck. But yeah, so we got some meat.